Hi, it's Dave from Upgrade Your Home DIY, and this folding saw from Milwaukee may have been the best tool I purchased all of last year. The blade folds out of the handle and locks in place. It then folds back in for easy, secure storage in my toolbox. I can take it with me and know I have a saw that doesn't require electricity or setup. It fits in tight spaces where a power tool would not fit. Last year, I used it to cut PVC pipe in between ceiling joists. It uses standard 6-inch Sawzall reciprocating blades that are easy to switch. It comes with a fine-tooth blade that works well for cutting PVC or ABS pipe and metal. I suggest you get a wood blade or the Milwaukee wrecker blade that cuts wood and other materials easily. The wrecker blade has a hook at the end, so you can carefully work it into drywall and then use the saw to cut drywall if you don't have a drywall saw handy. I think every homeowner should consider having this Milwaukee folding saw in their toolbox because it gives you a saw wherever you are. Use the links in the description below and you can buy this Milwaukee saw as well as the wrecker blade that I talked about. If this video was helpful, please click on that like button and subscribe to the channel so you're notified of future videos. Thanks for watching.